Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Adobe Photoshop. And in this video, I'm going to show you on how to show or how to enable some of hidden toolbar in Photoshop. Like this particular toolbar right here, edit a quick mask. How do you enable it and how do you enable some other hidden tool in your Photoshop? Let me quickly show you. The very first thing you want to do is to come to the tab right here. Go ahead and click on Edit tab. Then after click on Edit tab, come down below right here, navigate to Toolbar. Click on Toolbar. Then this window here is going to pump up right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply come down below right here, and then simply click on these three dots here. Once you click on this particular three dots, then other toolbar is going to be appear right here from the sidebar right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on Done, and you have unveiling some of the hidden toolbar in Photoshop. So if I click and push down, then you have all these. So you have standard screen mode, you have full screen mode, and full screen mode. You can also make use of your quick edit tab right here, and then you have also enable more hidden tools in Photoshop. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Photoshop, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.